Right now, you probably feel like you're just sitting there, scrolling, basically doing nothing. But underneath your skin, your body is currently pulling off the ultimate biological heist just to keep you alive. This visualization maps the human vascular system, stretching out to its full scale. In the last 30 seconds, your heart pushed 3 liters of blood through that 60,000-mile network. Meanwhile, 50,000 of your cells quietly died and were instantly replaced by fresh clones. Because of that massive biological turnover, you are physically not the exact same entity you were when this video started. The reason you don't notice this is that your brain is heavily editing your reality. It intentionally mutes 99% of your biological existence, so you don't suffer from catastrophic data overload. To see how that filter works, consider the physical weight of your tongue sitting in your mouth, or the exact sensation of your clothes resting against your skin. You couldn't feel them a moment ago, but you definitely can now. I dare you to try and unfeel it. Actually, drop a comment right now. What else did your nervous system just suddenly make you aware of? Your nervous system constructs a protective, edited simulation to maintain the illusion of a peaceful, lazy Sunday. Even right now, your brain is running predictive algorithms. It's analyzing my speech patterns and guessing the exact next word I'm going to say before I even finish the syllable. It works even harder on your eyes. You assume your vision is a smooth, continuous video feed. Your eyes make violent, jittery micromovements called saccades hundreds of times a minute. Your brain stitches these chaotic jumps together, creating a stable room instead of a glitching camera. If your eye stopped moving, your vision would simply fade to a flat, blank gray. Human senses act as aggressive stabilization programs, constantly patching over biological glitches to present a clean interface. While your exterior looks perfectly relaxed, there is an intense physiological battle happening inside you. Since you're still watching, your prefrontal cortex is currently in overdrive, fighting against your dopamine receptors. It takes active, constant chemical friction to suppress your primal urge to swipe away to the next video. And while your brain handles that mental friction, a single red blood cell just speed ran a complete high-velocity loop from your heart down to your toe and back again. Simply sitting still and paying attention requires aggressive physical momentum and constant chemical suppression. You feel completely safe in whatever quiet room you're sitting in right now, but you are constantly being pierced by unseen environmental threats. Ambient background radiation is continuously passing right through you, causing microscopic damages and errors across your DNA strands. This animated molecular model shows your body's response. Specialized enzymes literally crawl along your DNA structure in real time, scanning for those broken bonds and instantly rebuilding them. If those enzymes miss even a single microscopic error, your entire biological system is in profound danger. Long-term survival is the direct result of billions of flawless, microscopic interventions happening inside you every single second. So what would happen if your brain suddenly dropped its filter and let you experience this unedited reality? You would immediately face a crushing sensory overload. You'd feel your nerve signals firing at 250 miles per hour, and you'd hear the unignorable, deafening roar of your own blood pumping through your ears. You'd feel the visceral horror of your stomach desperately overproducing mucus just to maintain a barrier so its acid doesn't digest the lining. And on a macro scale, this model charts the exact planetary velocities you would suddenly feel. You'd experience the dizzying motion sickness of sitting on a giant rock spinning at 1,000 miles per hour while hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour. This overwhelming reality is why your brain filters everything. If your body misses even one step in this choreographed dance, the entire system collapses. Your consciousness gets to rest and experience a lazy afternoon, but the 30 trillion cell colony keeping you alive never gets to clock out. So before you inevitably swipe away, take a second to hydrate and respect the incredible biological machinery of your meat suit. Do those cells a favor and smash that subscribe button right now, so the glucose your brain just burned processing this information doesn't go to waste. I'll see you in the next one.